Does your BBQ grill look like this? Then it's time for a deep clean. I was tired of scrubbing my grill by hand, so I searched for an easier solution. Electric grill brush, $40. If you hate scrubbing and want to save time, it's definitely worth considering. Don't buy until you watch this full video.
Cleaning grill grates doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. This cordless electric grill brush features dual rotating heads that help clean more surface area in a single pass, making routine grill maintenance more convenient. The rotating brush heads help loosen grease, food residue, and stubborn buildup from grill grates, with less manual scrubbing. The brush includes multiple interchangeable cleaning attachments, including stainless steel wire brush heads and scouring pad heads, allowing you to choose the option that best fits your cleaning needs. The extended handle provides added reach while helping keep your hands farther from the cooking surface. It also features a built-in LED light that helps illuminate grill grates during evening cookouts or in low-light conditions. The rechargeable battery provides extended runtime between charges, and the battery indicator helps you monitor power while cleaning. See? A practical grilling accessory for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking and wants an easier way to help keep their grill clean and ready for the next barbecue.